Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas and welcome to the 16th class of Adobe Illustrator for beginners. In this class we're all going to learn about Shape Builder tool, Live Paint Bucket tool, Live Paint Selection tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we've got this option, my friend, like a Shape Builder tool. That will make you understand so much basically and so much easily. What I have to do is to draw any sort of shape there, like I have done that, maybe applied this sort of color, and let me go for another. Let me change the color of that. Make sure to take the copy of that. So we have created three sort of shapes there. So what I have to do, make sure to select these two, and we have got the Shape Builder tool there. So what I have to do, make sure to select these shapes and try to understand about the Shape Builder tool. Well, Shape Builder tool, you can understand this tool by its name, like Shape Builder tool. It is sort of option that is building the shapes, or that is building any sort of objects or shapes. Like for example, we've got these three shapes there. So what I have to recommend you, if you want to join these all of the shapes, if you want to make all of these three shapes just one shape or just one thing, so make sure to just click there and drag that and combine all of these. See, we've got one sort of shape there. Make sure to go one step back by holding the control or the command button and press Z button. So the reason I have gone one step back is to make sure to make you understand furthermore about that. Like for example, if you want to subtract this part from these parts, hold the R button there and make sure to click there and there. So you must have observed that we have minus that. Make some steps back. If you want to subtract these two shapes, make sure to go and click on Shape Builder tool. Make sure to hold the R button and then minus that out, and then minus that out. So we've got the shape something like that. Have a look at this, my friend. This is what you can create and this is what you can practice on it. If you want to minus that out, hold the R button on keyboard, make sure to select all of these. If you want to combine all of the shapes, make sure to just drag that and combine that. If you want to minus any sort of shape from that, if in fact you want to minus the red one from these two, make sure to hold the R button and then click there. See, we have minused that. If you want to minus these two, see, we have minused these two. So this is what this can work like. So I have downloaded some of the icons there from Pixabay, which I'll be trying to work on these by using the Shape Builder tool. So I have got this sort of icon which must stand for location or maybe map. So what I have to tell you, my friend, is that make sure to go for ellipse tool. Just make sure to lock that out so that it cannot be disturbing. Make sure to go for this option and draw the ellipse there. Just make sure to fill any sort of color there, or maybe this. Increase the size of that so that it will be much more visible for us. Make sure to increase the size of that little more. So if you want to take the copy of this rectangular or this ellipse which I have just created, hold the R button and then take the copy of that. See, put it there, my friend. Make sure to make it bigger from both of the sides. Keep doing that as long as this fits this place. So I've got this something like that, my friend. And the second thing is that if you want to cover this place, make sure to take the copy of that, hold the control or the command, press C, copy, press F, paste on the same place. So I've got this. Make sure to put it there, increase the size of that. Have a look at this, my friend. So this is what I have done. So we've got this option left. We'll try to be working on this, like maybe going for this option, draw that there, and go for, make sure to go for direct selection tool. Make sure to select this point, move it there. Just try to go and go for anchor point tool. Just make sure to click there. Have a look at this, my friend. If you want to make it as correct as it is, just try to click on this and just make sure to drag that to left side so that it will be corrected. So we've got this sort of shape made, my friend. So what I need to tell you is that make sure to select these three. Make sure to go for shape builder tool. The first thing that I want to do is that make sure to just drag these and combine these. Have a look at this, my friend. The second thing, the second part is this, and the third part is this, and the fourth part, we don't want that actually. So what we have to be doing, make sure to hold Alt button, minus that out and minus this out. Have a look at this, my friend. Just try to drag that there. Make sure to select this and go for eyedropper tool. Make sure to click there. Make sure to select that and click there, and make sure to select this part and click there, and we are good to go. And we've left, I think, one of the part which I have to be going for this. Make sure to draw that there. Select these all, just apply horizontal align center, and this time because I have created line, make sure to go for shape builder tool. Make sure to click there, click there, and click there, my friend, and click there, my friend, click there, and then click there. So what we have to do, make sure to minus this part. Have a look at this, my friend. This time we need to be applying the color once more. Let's have a look at this, my friend, and let's have a look at this, my friend. I think we have left one of the parts, so let me go one step back. Go for shape builder tool. Make sure to select all of these. Click there and there and there. Click there, there, and then there. So we need to be minusing that out. This time click there. Apply the color inside that. Apply the color there. So have a look at this, my friend. So we have created this by using the shape builder tool there, my friend. So you can work on it and you can benefit that. So let me make another one. Let's have a look at the second one. Maybe going for this option, or maybe this icon, sort of camera is there. Let me log that before I go and design that out. So what I have to do, make sure to go for this option, like draw the ellipse there. Make sure to just apply the stroke color inside that of the shape. Increase the size so that it will be looking and observable. Have a look at this, my friend. Hold the control or the command and press C in order to copy that. In order to paste that there, press F. Try to just make it bigger. Make sure to take the copy of that. Have a look at this, my friend. So this time we need to go for rectangular, rounded rectangular, in fact, and draw that there, from this place, and then we can adjust that later on. And we've got the next one, like maybe the same one. Have a look at this, my friend. Have a look at this part. This time just move that there so that it can be more visible. So make sure to go for pen tool, click there and there and there. Make sure to click there, there and there. Make sure to apply any sort of color inside that of the shape. So before I move there, I have to be going for this shape, like just apply just maybe put it there. Make sure to select all of these, go for shape builder tool, minus it there, and then just apply there. Can also create these two, can also create that and this one. So we'll try to be working on these step by step. Let's have a look at this, my friend. See, that works, and that has worked 100%, I think so. Well, have a look at this, my friend. So that is working something like that. So this is what you can use on the shape builder tool, and you can apply anything you want. Well, let me do another thing, my friend, like maybe applying any sort of color. If you want to apply any sort of color inside that of the shape, make sure to click there, make sure to change the color of that there, and then go for live paint bucket tool. Make sure to click there, click there and there. Have a look at this, my friend. You can also change the color there, just click there and then click there. Make sure to select that and then apply the color inside that of the camera. So this is what I have taught you in this tutorial, my friend. Hope you have enjoyed the class. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.